Lord, thank you. Katatapos ng first year orientation. Our very first webinar event this August. Thank you so much, guys. Bababa pa tayo. Evaluation. Wala, maayos ang daloy ng programa. Thank you, guys. Di nyo lang alam ang behind the scenes. Diyos ko po. I love the topic and the speakers. I have learned a lot from them. Spread knowledge, sabi. It was very informative program about inclusive education. The speakers were able to convey ideas clearly and informatively. Oh! Kilig yun. Thank you for conducting this program. Alright. Ayan, 4-5, 4-5 yung mga ratings sa audio, facilitators, technicalities, medyo may 4 yan kasi, yes, program duration, in fairness, 8:30, it started really at 8:30 and ended 11:30, 40. Alright, let's hear some comments pa. And A. Thank you. Sobrang naging makabuluhan po ang webinar na isinagawa. Makatutulong ito sa akin upang ito yung mga may dagdag sa aking mga hakbang sa pagiging guro. That's good. We have also participants. Hindi lang first year students kasi ni-live din namin. So, meron din mga outside PNU. None, the program is well done. Grabe, thank you. Yung stress po namin sa likod None, mga 4-5 yung mga. Sana po magpapatuloy pang mga gandang aktibidad sa loob ng pamantasan. It will. Thank you din po sa SASO, sa IDEO, engagement with dead and blind students. Magagawain ito ng madalas. Mas gawin to ng madalas. Okay. Kilig yarn! Oh dear.